Oh, fish on. There you go, buddy. Pull him in, get him in. That's a nice snook. Here goes. Soft plastic. Jamaican shore fishing. Just got a snook myself, guys. Look at this.
Nice.
Oh, you see that? Look at him, look at him.
Yeah.
Mud. That's a mudfish.
Yeah. Straight back down there.
Hey guys, Jamaican shore fishing. Welcome to the channel. You'll see them hanging out at these tree roots. And they hanging on this side too. You'll see some big friggers hanging out in the sun over here. Because over here it gets flooded, so they'll come out. You know what I'm saying? You see those holes?
Are they the ones they call mud crabs? Yeah.
Yeah. Got a whole bunch of them down here. So we hunt them all the time.
That's fantastic.
So this is one of my stomping grounds that I hunt
that's
them.
awesome.
Yeah.
I'm so glad I ran into you that day.
Welcome to the channel, guys. Me and Chris is out.
What's up?
we on a lure fishing day. We just got back from camping yesterday, so we're here today. Fresh content, guys. Nothing stale. We have to keep making them. So me and Chris is out. We hunting today. We're gonna see what we can pick up today and get a few casts in the water here. All right. So stay tuned. The wire lead went to mono lead. Yeah. That wind is sending that lure, boy. That wind coming upstream. Huh? Sure. Running a hard plastic pencil jig. We'll let Chris go ahead and get a few casts out. Alright, go ahead, build up. You see right there, Chris, right by those logs? They love hiding under those logs, so I try to get by these tree limbs like this and just run it past the tree limbs. Anywhere past those logs or the curves to the curves and bring them back. I guarantee you're going to most likely hit something. Oh, fish on. There you go, buddy. Pull him in, get him in. That's a nice snook. Woohoo! Oh, man.
That's all right.
Good one, bro. Right. Good one, buddy. That was a good one.
That's all right.
So you have 5-7 species of snooks?
Yeah.
But we have caught 4 in Jamaica so far. Yeah.
Now I gotta be honest. This travel rod.
You got a good cast on it.
Well,
what's that? A Plushino?
Yeah.
Plushino makes good casting rods, especially they 3-piece. Oh shit! I just went over your line.
7.
Oh shit.
But it's a little heavy, so I don't want to say I overreact.
All right, let's walk up the line, Chris.
Sure.
We're gonna give this spot a break. Come on.
But that because the rod felt heavy, I didn't really set that hook as hard as I normally.
How much? You have more jig heads like that size? You have jig heads that size?
I have more of them if you want one.
Jig heads?
Yeah.
I'll try one of those. Let me jump on one of those.
Oh, yeah.
See if I can drop on one of those jig heads real quick. Oh shit! I just knotted my line up.
Now I'm gonna ask a stupid question. But
what's that? I got jig heads, but they're pretty big.
Do these fish? Are they familiar with shrimp?
Yeah.
Okay.
They're familiar with shrimp. They're familiar with all kinds of stuff. Crayfish.
You're locking your car, right?
Yeah.
I want to leave my phone in the water here in case I fall in the water.
Oh shit. You're looking to fall in the water?
My ankles aren't real good. After I'm out here for 20 minutes, I'll be okay.
Man, this is a pain in the ass. I hate dealing with this. It's this close that I can do that. I'll re-tie it back. I just don't feel like it.
I brought 20-pound fluorocarbon leader. I got whatever you want.
No, I have leader. I just don't feel like dealing with this friggin'.
For like expect him to hit that hard either. He drill it, to be honest.
He hit that lure hard. Hold this to me, Chris. Hold this to me. Let me get this thing off. Trying to get this piece of nylon off of this. Pain in the ass. I don't feel like tying up another leader.
No, I don't blame.
I'll just retie this up here on my swivel and I'm good to go.
Can you, I was going to say, do you want a jig head?
Yeah, sure.
Pop your trunk for me.
Alright, give me a second. I have a lot of soft plastics. I have different color, gray and white ones. Silverish. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, cool. Awesome.
Do you have a color preference?
I'll roll one of those whites or even anything yellow or green or whatever. The green will work. Yeah. So we'll work with it, hopefully.
This is what I was going to throw if I didn't throw that.
Oh yeah? I think I might have put this on a little bit too close up. A little knobby.
See, one of these guys.
Oh yeah, try it. There's this big one that I've been trying to catch here for years. There's this one that's about 15 pounds. Lock them up when you're ready.
Alright. Oh shit.
What? It's open. It's not closed yet.
How far have we gone?
As far as that van or more. Okay, cool.
That way if I break something I can just pick something
Yeah,
up.
nobody won't bother your stuff here, you know. So nobody won't bother your
Oh, I'm not worried
stuff
about
here. See that bush? Right over there in that corner. You see this stretch up on these rocks right here, Chris? If you can get a cast to that corner and come back from either corner, that corner right there, or that little open spot right there and come back. But be careful of the bushes when you're coming back in. You have to lift before you reach.
Yeah.
Good cast. You most likely pick up something from that dark corner. I know it.
That's what I was trying to get to. I hate being up above the ground.
Yo, careful. This is undermined.
Oh, no.
Yeah, you're sitting on a little cliff edge here. I hope you put your phone and stuff in the car, right?
Yeah.
All right, good. Come on, take your time.
There we go. Look at that.
Yeah. Up in there, bro. That's it. This is about 5 feet deep. I see something chasing it. I have them on the shade, so I see this. It looks like a dark shadow moving after it a while ago. let me give you a better cast. And we'll give you a better cast. Come on. Here you go. So. You got something?
Oh, yeah.
Something on? It came off?
He went after it 4 times.
Oh, wow.
And you can see him. I bring it up and drop it down and he hit at it. And he hit my line on top of the water. It was just sitting there.
Yep.
And it swirled. So I said, all right, I know where you are.
The funniest thing is I lost an arrow in here one day, bow fishing.
Oh, he tangled me up. He hit me. Good.
Perfect.
Yeah, but something surfaced in the water right near that funk. And I went, oh, what was that? And I got close to it. And when my lure came up, it went down. I saw him hit it. Oh, I missed him.
Oh, damn.
I mean, he just kept missing it. Straight misses.
Woo! Look at that drop. But, oh, man.
Oh, no.
I got it loose.
It's like, I hate using a bobber, but I almost felt like bringing one just to set the
Yeah.
lure to height, you know, that it couldn't go too deep. Look at that. Get that in that shade. Yeah, it was funny. Right before we came down, you know, we saw that muskrat go across the yard.
Boom, boom.
My camera on my veranda picked up one running through.
Oh, the mongoose.
That was awesome. All right, so he bolted. Or he's not happy. Nice.
I think I love what Daiwa reels. Daiwa makes awesome reels.
Oh yeah.
Come on, let's get out here.
Sure. Oh, hey, look. One surface right here.
Just now? One hit me a while ago. He missed. All right. Told you I guarantee you some action. When my bad days of weather is going, this is where I come to.
Yeah, yeah.
Yep. If you want to try a cast off of here, you can. How's your footing?
Oh, I'm not worried about that.
All right.
It's getting
so-
stuff up because
yeah,
I don't trust
so
this
you
7 feet rod.
All right, come on, come this way then. All right. I used to walk down here and cast, but what happened is that the water's up. It's up high. Come on, we're going down.
No, I'm trying to figure out how to get in front of that tree over there.
This is a nice spot to cast right here. Very nice spot. I catch some of my biggest snooks right here.
They gotta sit in that. See, right here. That was messing on the top water again.
Where?
Well,
Oh, long jaw. Come on, we're gonna go up here. You're gonna get a good cast up here. Trust me. Don't worry about this. This is the least of yours. We got better
this
stuff.
is fun, man. I don't mind.
We just walking, and then when you coming back, you can even hit those up. But we're gonna get you some better casting in that you can be well comfortable, and you have a good distance to cast on that section. But oh shit! Careful.
This is my make or break me spot.
Run this bush. Run this bush.
Don't you worry, huh?
Run that bush coming straight back up. Yep. Run it right up. Here guys, soft plastic, Jamaican shore fishing. Just got a snook myself, guys. Look at this.
Let me see him. Nice.
Well, you're hit. Soft plastic lure, guys. Hit him. He's a small guy, but don't worry about it. He hit after it about 3 times.
Yeah. I love it.
Yeah, man. What got me out? You good?
Yeah, you just get sitting on.
Yeah, man.
Oh, yeah, so man.
Just hold him look while. You good?
Oh, yeah, so man.
There, bro G. So go on, shoot a video meantime. You see it? You good though?
Yeah, I mean, man.
Alright, bro.
Oh, that's a use and conquer them.
Yeah.
Okay.
Any more hits, Chris?
No.
Try back from that bush in that corner right there, back to you. That tree. Run from that corner.
Oh, I had been.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
You ran underneath the side from the.
Yeah, a bunch of times. That's why I started casting down here.
Okay, I'm gonna show you a different spot up here in a second. Way better, deeper spot. You'll definitely pick something up on that soft plastic. Good cast. Watch the bamboo.
Yep.
Let's walk up a little further.
All right.
I'll let you get on the next cast. Well, may I walk up so no? Now come on. Careful. And if you can, when we come fishing, wear some water shoes or runners, please.
Oh, I have
A
one.
pair of good water shoes. I have water shoes like these, like look like sneakers. He's not that bad, little guy. But
Don't they have size limits on stuff down here?
no.
Oh, that drummer.
Snook. He's a small one. He's not really big like how we want him to be, but rivets close off. I just kept it because of Laurie's favorite fish.
Thing is, you get 4 or 5.
Yep. That's the aim. Casting spot, but scary.
Yeah.
So you can hit that spot and run it back here. You can hit over there and run it back here, or you can hit that side and run it back, but you gotta watch these bushes. So if you want to give it a shot, go ahead.
Yeah.
Most likely you're gonna hook up something here, Chris.
Get that.
Huh? Oh, go ahead. Right there, perfect. Running back now, bud. You need a hat. You're gonna get hit. Watch. You're gonna get hit. I know you are. I see something. You're gonna get hit. You're gonna get hit. Watch. Alright, try again. Perfect. I had an extra hat if you needed one.
Oh, I have one in the car.
Oh.
Problem is, I sweat so bad.
Alright, bro.
I sweat so bad, and then the freaking sweat goes in my eyes, and I can't see.
Oh, shit. Well, the hat kind of helps. Stops the sweat from coming down.
You would think.
Oh, yeah? Oh, shit. Alright, let's move. Come on. I don't see anything. Well, go on. I'm going to show you another spot right here. I do this every day, Chris. Before work. Ah, shit. Come up here, Chris.
Sure.
You can walk down on that ledge right there, but be careful, don't fall off because it's deep, as I said before. And by the way, I forgot to tell you, there's crocs in here, correct? Crocodile in here, correct?
Yes, sir.
All right. Alright.
You're the close hole.
Yeah, I've seen one last week when I was here.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, me and Brian have seen one down there.
Brianna.
Yeah,
So you know Brianna?
yeah. Perfect. You see that? Woo! You got a hit?
No, the grass hit my line.
Oh, you see that? Look at him! Look at him!
Yeah.
Mud. That's a mudfish.
Yeah. Throw it back down there.
That's a mudfish. You see that?
Mudfish.
Throw it back down
Go ahead. Go ahead. Cast
Down
that way,
there.
Chris. That's a mudfish. Go ahead. You're gonna hit this fish. He just grabbed the line and missed a while ago. That was a nice sized mudfish.
Pull it back.
No, he's gonna work
Right
it.
there,
Come
right
on, come
there.
on, right there, Chris. Come back, right there, same place. Let's come up with him. Come on with him. Oh, that bastard was following it from all the way up there, Chris.
Miss when them run it down,
Yeah.
I think I'm master I pull.
I thought it was a monster that was pulling.
I think I'm master and I pull.
Oh, you knotted up? Get it, his attention, right there.
Inhale.
Hey, pass it to. Just about right there, sir. Pull it
Can't,
back.
you gotta drop it from up there and bring it back.
Yeah.
Okay, Chris. Yep, run it back. Bounce him. That was a big mudfish. He came right up on top.
What the hell's a mudfish?
A mudfish is a mudfish. He lives under the mud and attacks. He's a predator fish.
Oh yeah. Is that one of those that have the big mouth and face up?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right there.
Huh?
I'm just laughing. I love it.
Right there.
lure's caught up. Then down here, Chris, sorry, watch out. You could come down this side, and I kind of go around that bush, but I'm cutting a shortcut. But this way you can get a side cast this way. Look, you can cast if you want
You're
to.
good.
Like this way, and just run that back this way from the shadows.
Hey, man.
Oh!
Yeah.
You seen that?
Yes, yes,
You seen that hit?
yes.
Oh my God, that was a big snook. Oh shit. Coming back from the shadows? Come on, Chris, come down here.
Now I'm thinking I want to get away from this white lure again.
Huh? Just work it back from there, coming from the shadows. I got hit by a snook a while ago. Come down here and run it.
Yo, yes, yes. Oh, that's right. Come on. One big snook this pick off right.
You see him a while ago? He came from under this bush right here.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And you're left a little longer.
Oh shit. Alright, come on. Come down here.
No, you're
Chris.
good, man. Trust me, I am perfectly happy. I have no expectation or ego to Bruce. It's not like that.
No, I want you to hook up. It's not about that. I want you to hook up, bro.
I know, but I got the rest of my life. It's not like I'm on vacation till next week.
Oh, I'm afraid.
Nah, he's gonna hook up. He's gonna hook up onto something. Oh shit, he hit after it again, look.
What am I killing all left down there?
No, what happened is that you have to drop it down and bring it back up each time. He hit after it, a snook hit after it a while ago again. He's definitely up in this side right here, Chris, in this corner. He's definitely working that corner right there. I'll let it sink again.
Now this is a lot lighter. So you gotta be careful with this.
Oh yeah.
These looks different, yeah. Oh no. Oh, that one. Oh well. We'll take it.
Go ahead.
I'm sitting in the middle. I thought I was gonna get hung up in it, but it's real light. It sinks real slow, you know.
Yeah. You get hit on that quick. Should be.
Yeah, forgive me, pretty look.
You see that like BAM! I have some of those. Let's get up top. Let's see if we can get down a little further. That's one of my many hunts. I call this the Pumpkin Bottom Trail. I'm just looking to see if there's more open spots because I haven't fished up here in a while.
That's all right. You know, like I said, it's the fact that fish hit me back there. that was perfectly fine and good. That's happened to me many times here, so I'm not.
I'm looking to see if I see any more open spots. If I'm so lucky to see if these guys chopped out any more. I think there's one right here. Yeah. Right here, one spot. I don't think we can get a good cast here either. One small one, bro. You gotta be careful, Chris.
You're braver than I am.
Why?
Because I'm not happy with my twist footwear today.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit, man.
Nah, it's all right.
You alright?
Nah, but I'll be all right.
Sure you okay? You didn't get hurt or nothing, did you?
I dislocated my shoulder.
Now?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
No, I know I did.
Huh?
I know I did. Help me out.
Oh,
All right.
shit.
So now what we got to do is pop it back in place.
How we do that? Oh, shit, man.
That's all right.
All right, come on, let's go handle your thing. All right, give me the rod. Help yourself. Grab the bush.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Hold on. Wait. It's just mine.
Oh, fuck, man.
Hold on.
Going back in?
I'll tell you in a second.
Fuck. Are you going to be in excruciating pain? Is it okay now?
Oh, man. All because I put my hand back.
Oh, shit.
That's all right.
Are you going to be all right? You want to stop?
That's a bad question. Because no, I don't want to, but I thought I was going to throw up.
Oh, shit.
That's all right. Hold on.
Oh, I get some rum?
Now I'll get in trouble.
You all right now? How's the shoulder? Still out or in? Oh man, this sucks. Yeah guys, so I just had to take Chris back to the car. I kind of left the fish up here on this old car that I'm gonna have to go retrieve my string and get it. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you guys for joining Jamaican shore fishing.